Hey guys, we bought some stuff from Harbor Freight. We're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and review for you. First thing we're gonna dive into is jack right here. We got the Pittsburgh 1.5-ton aluminum jack. It does have the rapid pump. That's like one of my favorite features on their jacks, and it's low profile. Let's get that out. Let's see. This has got a little handle on it, so this is not as light. Ooh, it's got a little bit of weight to it, but for the size and stuff, it's really pretty light. If you're working on anything, like not a truck or anything, this is all you need. This bar is assembled here. Press our little knob in, nipple in. Click, and then gently insert this. This is how you can tell. Got a little thing, and then on inside this little thing lined up there. There we go. And that's that right. And there you go. Look at that rapid pump. Let's see the top out on this. This is probably not, like for our truck that we use in like the brake video, this will not give you enough clearance. Have like a little economy car. This is definitely plenty. And then the next thing we're going to be reviewing for you, unboxing for you guys, is going to be these jack stands, the 6-ton jack stands. The 6-ton ratcheting jack stands, of course. I think they're all ratcheting. These are the Daytona ones. So here's kind of what you're going to get into when you first open it up. You got your first one. Handles. You guys. Alright, one of these handles opened up. I think it comes pretty good packaged, so if they don't have them in stock, they should be good shipping. Drop that in there, and then, I mean, that's basically it. You just put it where you want it. Get that little pin. Stick it in there. Once that's good, they ain't going nowhere. And same thing for the other one, just unwrap the pin, drop the handle in, and when you take it out, you just take your pin, lift it up, and it'll drop. And the last thing, you guys went crazy on that video where we promised we'd buy the welder. So this is the welder we're going to be reviewing and unboxing for you. You see what we have in front of us. We delivered on our word, and I'm excited to get this unboxing going. Let's get this. Eventually, the goal with this thing is going to be to redo the exhaust. You guys saw, if you haven't checked out that video, go check it out. We cut my muffler off. So we're going to be, once we get lethal with the welding skills, we're going to be redoing my whole exhaust, and of course make a video about that. We're not going to throw this one away, guys. I don't know what I'm getting into here. I don't even know what you call this, guys, to be honest. I don't even know. If you guys know the exact name for this, I'll let you know. 150 bucks, how good does it get, you know? But I think, from my understanding, yeah. You undo this to adjust your wire feed and stuff. I mean, because compared to a lot of other welders, I mean, it doesn't feel bad. I think we might come to learn that you get what you pay for, but here we got our clamp. I do know you do have to clamp to a metal conductive surface that you're welding on. As you can tell, we're not experts, but we're here to learn. If you want to learn, follow along with this journey. Definitely going to be a long journey, I'd say. It's all up from under here. And then here we go. Here's our power cord. Power switch here on the back. It kind of tells you your settings you're going to need for what kind of material you're welding and just kind of some general instructions in there. But here we go, guys. We unfortunately didn't buy any wire. I was kind of under the impression it might come with some, but it didn't. So you're going to take this washer, put that down there. That'll go down there. And then because your spool will be up there, and then the spring goes on top of that. And then you're going to tighten it down. And then, yeah, you just tighten it. I'm sure, yeah, you just tighten it until it's tight because you'll have your tension under there. And then right here, you can adjust your feed and stuff right there. And then you'll close that back up, obviously, nice and secure. And then up front, here we got our different types of MIG settings, kind of presets it looks like. But this is basically just your volts up here. And this is how fast your wire is going to feed through on this knob right here. So really, once you get your wire in there, really only two things. And I like this, what comes with these welders, you see this little card, this is telling you if your welds are good or not. So you can see like it's the wire's speed is too slow, or you're welding too slow, or your voltage is too high, or we'll see, yeah, or you have too much wire coming out of your tip of your thing right there. Sorry, I don't know the name, guys, correct me in the comments. But yeah, this is really nice, and we're gonna hopefully make some really high quality, really fun to watch content with this little $150 machine. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out our other videos. You can subscribe here or check out our videos here, and we'll see you guys next time.